Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of making a payment in Google Workspace. This easy-to-follow tutorial will help you navigate each step, ensuring you can efficiently manage payments within your Google Workspace account. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or just need a refresher, stay tuned and let's dive in. First, make sure you start in the right place. Open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace homepage. This is your starting point for accessing the administrative functionalities needed to manage your account. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Admin console. It's usually marked with distinct administrative icons for easy identification. After selecting the Admin console, you'll need to log in using your business email. This is crucial as it verifies your identity and gives you access to the necessary account settings. Once logged in with your business account credentials, locate the Google Apps menu in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this menu to access a variety of essential apps. Next, search for and select the Admin icon, which allows you to perform various administrative tasks, including managing payments. To focus on payments, navigate to Payment Accounts, which provides access to your billing and payment information. Simply click on the relevant link to enter your account's financial management section. In this section, you'll find detailed billing information and settings. Locate your account ID and click on it to view specifics about your account, including your current balance and transaction history. Now, you're ready to make a payment. Within the account details, find the option labeled Make a Payment and click on it. This will take you to a payment entry screen where you can specify the amount you wish to pay. Carefully enter the amount you want to credit to your account, and double-check this figure to avoid any errors or unwanted transactions. Once you've entered the payment amount, click on Continue. This will initiate a verification process or present an overview of your payment details, allowing you to confirm the amount and payment method before processing. By completing these steps, you have successfully learned how to manage payments in Google Workspace. It's as simple as that. With this knowledge, you can handle your account's billing with ease, ensuring your business operations continue smoothly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Have a great day.